take a look at just in it, unique specialty and classics. And wow, hey, you gotta like this. Of course, Ember Glow. And this is an original Ember Glow car. Also has the Ember Glow pony interior. We do have a copy of the original window sticker. That does confirm that. It is 302 powered now. And that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Also power steering, and has had AC added along the line. So nicely equipped car. The Ember Glow has been a repaint, so it is definitely in nice shape. It's not the original paint. And as you can see, chrome on the bumper, grille, bright work up front, all looking good. And then as far as the paint, take a look at that. Now, yeah, you may have a couple little spots where you've had a touch up. I don't even know if I can get them to show up. They're pretty minor, if you can kind of see that. It washes out as I get up on top of it. But that would be an idea of the true color of Ember Glow right there. And you can check it out in the still pictures too, but maybe a couple little touch-ups here and there, but overall, very showable paint. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Just take a look down the passenger side. You can see a nice straight looking car. Riding on the Firestone Firehawks. More of a GT style rim. That is not a wheel cover. That is a rim. FYI. Then look up and down the side of this one. Pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches from what I've noticed. Passenger side, and then take a look at this interior. Great contrast to this car. There's that automatic center console. I do have pictures underneath the tan floor mats, so you can see the carpeting in this also in very showable condition. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the dual exhaust coming out of that 302. If you take a look at the still pictures, I'll have a copy of that window sticker in there also. You're going to be able to take a look at it and see the options that were included on this car. New was that automatic transmission, would have been the Cruise-O-Matic, and then of course the interior decor group. That full-length console, power steering, does have an AM radio that has been changed out now, AM FM cassette, little more modern radio put in it. Deluxe seat belts. This car does have seat belts, which, believe it or not, yes, in '66 was an option. Tinted windshield, and it was originally delivered in California. So this is originally a California car. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side, and you can also see that it's pretty much free of any nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the driver's side here. This car will definitely turn some heads, no doubt about it. Fantastic color. And let's go ahead and check out this interior. Alright, like I said, I have still pictures underneath the floor mats. So check out the still pictures, and you'll see the carpeting in there. Nice contrasting door panel. That kind of tri-tone seat, I guess, if you will, and you can see not really much for any wear on the seat. Of course, pony interior, matching in the rear, seat belts front and rear. Let's go ahead and take a look at the headliner. That is also in good shape. All right, let's fire this up, because I want you to be able to hear it run. We're going to take a peek at the engine bay. Odometer reads 76,501. Cannot confirm or deny if that is original miles, but obviously this car has had restoration work done since then. See, starts easily. Comes our oil pressure up. Amp meter, and that was a cold start also, you can see temp gauge. Radio, and this is working, yes.
Every time you use it, no strings attached.
Radio does work. I've had the wipers work. Take a look at the top of the dash. Horn work too. Tried that earlier. Nothing crazy for exhaust. Just a nice little deep throaty rumble out of that 302. Nothing wild there. Alright, slip up to the front. Let me pop this hood. Take a peek at the engine bay. and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice and clean, tidy under the hood. There we go. 302 V8. And again, power steering, as you can see, AC compressor does kick on and off. As you can see, it's 134. I have had it blowing cool air on the interior. Edelbrock 4-barrel, FYI, on the V8. Fun one to get in and go. Enjoy some of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Maybe just a Sunday out for a drive. 1966 Ford Mustang. Nice looking coupe in Ember Glow. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.